Today, I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours. Yes, 1,000 subscribers in one day. And before you think I'm exaggerating, listen carefully. There is a strategy smart creators are using right now to get subscribers very fast on YouTube. But almost nobody is talking about it. Why? Because many creators see this strategy as a secret weapon. They use it quietly and keep it to themselves. But in today's video, I'm going to expose that strategy completely. And here is the crazy part. This strategy is not only for small channels. Even if you already have 1,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, or even 10,000 subscribers, you can still use the same strategy to grow faster. So if your goal is to get subscribers quickly, pay very close attention, because one small mistake while doing this can ruin the entire strategy. So watch this carefully, step by step. Let's begin. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Growth. On this channel, I teach tools, tips, and strategies to help creators grow on YouTube. And the mistakes you must avoid if you want to stay safe and successful on this platform. So that sounds helpful. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and most importantly, turn on notifications. Let's grow together, because together we can move mountains. Now, in this video, I'm going to break this strategy into two major parts. Part 1, I will show you exactly how to apply this strategy. Part 2, I will show you the things you must do and the mistakes you must avoid. If you want this strategy to actually work, trust me, that second part is very, very important. Because many people will try this strategy but fail completely, simply because they skip one detail. So do not skip ahead. Watch every step carefully. Let's get into it. Step 1, all you need is your smartphone. To perform this strategy, all you need is your smartphone. That's it. No laptop, no expensive equipment, no special software, just your phone. Now, once you have your phone, open YouTube. And before doing anything else, make sure the channel currently logged in is the exact channel you want subscribers for. This is extremely important. Let me repeat that. The channel logged in must be the channel you want to grow. Because the channel currently logged in is the one that will benefit from this strategy. If the wrong channel is logged in, you'll be promoting the wrong account, so double check first. Find a viral shot. Once you confirm the correct channel is logged in, tap the home button and go back to your YouTube feed. Now, this is where the strategy begins. What you want to do is to find a viral YouTube shot. And when I say viral, I do not mean 20,000 views. I do not mean 100,000 views. I mean a shot that gone extremely viral. Hundreds of millions of views if possible. So begin checking shots one by one. Look at the likes, look at the view counts, evaluate the performance. This one, no, not enough. This one, still not enough. Then let's take this one. This one is about, yeah, the like is good. Wow, this one is good. At least a lot of likes. A lot of views. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. That is our target. Step 3, use YouTube collab feature. Once you find a viral shot, tap here. Several options will appear. Then tap on collab. Tap collab. Now the collaboration editor will open. Step 4, make sure the entire video shows. This next part is critical. Make sure the entire original video is visible. Do not crop it badly. Do not rush this step. Adjust the screen carefully until the full video displays properly. Why? Because presentation matters. A badly cropped collaboration can reduce retention immediately. So make sure everything fits perfectly. Once done, tap next. The video will begin processing. Why this strategy works? Now let me explain the logic behind this. Because many people copy strategies without understanding why they work, and that is dangerous. Here's the reason. You are collaborating with a content that has already proven itself to YouTube. The algorithm already knows viewers love that video. It already knows people engage with it. It already knows it performs well. So when you attach your reaction to that format, you increase your chances of entering a proven viral pattern. And in simple terms, you are leveraging content the algorithm already trusts. That gives you a stronger chance of getting pushed. Now, does that guarantee virality? No. But it can significantly improve your odds, and the viewers like your reaction. They may click your profile, watch more of your content, and subscribe. Now, let's go to step 5. Choose your layout. Tap on layout. Then choose your preferred style. Personally, I recommend the top layout. That format usually works best for reaction collab shots. Okay, let's go to step 6. Record your reaction. Now, it's time to record. And here is something many people overthink. You do not have to talk. Yes. You can do silent reactions if you want. No voice needed. No complicated commentary. Simple position your phone at a distance. If you have a tripod or phone stand, use it. That will make your record more stable and professional. Then tap record. Start reacting naturally. That's it. Keep it simple. And step 7, upload it. Once finished recording, tap next. Allow the video to process. Then add their details and upload it to your channel. Simple. Is this allowed by YouTube? Now, many people ask, is this allowed by YouTube? The simple answer is yes. Using YouTube built-in collaboration tools is allowed. Important rules for fast results. Now, if you want this strategy to produce the best possible results, follow these rules carefully. Rule 1. Upload 4 videos. Do not do this once and stop. Upload at least 4 videos using this strategy. Here is the schedule. Upload video 1, wait 4 hours. Upload 2, wait 4 hours. Upload 3, wait 4 hours. Upload 4. Consistency matters. One upload is not enough to maximize this method. Rule 2. Count 24 hours. After final upload, after uploading the last video, begin counting 24 hours. That is the window where you may start seeing major subscribers growth. Rule number 3. Use the original viral title. When uploading, use the same title as the original viral shot. Yes, I strongly recommend you use the original title. Why? Because it aligns your content with the proven packaging of the original shot. That can improve click-through and recognition. Rule number 4, stay in your niche. This is one of the most important rules. Only react to shots within your niche. For example, cooking channel, react to cooking. Finance channel, react to finance. Motivational channel, react to motivational. Tech channel, react to tech. Do not react randomly because random subscribers become those subscribers, and dead subscribers hurt your channel a long time. You want relevant subscribers, not just numbers. And that is the strategy. Apply properly, follow every step carefully, and you may be surprised by the results. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.